I just came across this tiny startups marketplace where you can sell your Vibe coded tiny projects or startups. It's not sponsored. I just saw this on Twitter and came to check it out together. I don't know anything about this. For example, one of the projects here is this gray blocks. Let me check what it is. So it looks like it's a website canvases and templates, and it looks like the UI looks really good. So I don't know if this is Vibe coded or not. This looks too good to be kind of Vibe coded. Maybe they spent a lot of time on this. Then we have Dream Chanted. Turn boring photos into magical art. If we check it out, this seems like you can vibe code this pretty easily. This is just probably OpenAI API, and we have a bunch of these photos that look good. Here we have Legend of Korra. This is Avatar Legend of Korra. I don't know which one. We also have Wicked. I don't know. Bunch of these others. So if I go here, say try now, it's $4, which is great for one photo. Nobody's gonna pay this much. Then this is your AI secretary for 50 plus apps. Set up a meeting at 5 p.m. on my calendar. It requires sign in. I don't wanna. Let's try a different one. Although it would just give them my email, so there would be no harm. But anyways, let's try this one. Create how-to guides that speak for you step by step.
Hey there, I'm Shri. Let me show you how.
So this is a tool that creates these interactive guides. That's actually pretty nice idea. Although I don't think this is Vibe coded. Maybe it is, but a lot of effort is spent into it. Then this one, generate, explain, optimize, document, visualize code with AI agents. So this is like for developers. I don't know how it works. I guess we can log in, check pricing, $10 per month. This project lets you take any of your images and transform it into a professional looking image. This is $4, $10, so I think it's not too expensive. This AI, let AI run your calendar tasks and projects. It looks cool. Promote your startup with no budget. It's interesting. I don't know what this does really. Communities, profiles, articles, reviews. Write and submit articles and reviews about your project on trusted review platforms. So maybe this is like helps you with AI.